Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on wherever you're coming from. My good names are McLean Luvandwa Ashona. So today, guys, we are going to make something good, something tasty, something that you will love. Welcome, join me as I prepare. There's something delicious. I won't tell you what is that, but you'll see it on my video, guys. Welcome.
Welcome.
Usikate, inaweza pause.
Mama. Nimeshaanza.
Tuendelee. Nilikuwa naongea.
Yeah.
Hey, my videographer. Where? Guys, we are going to make something very delicious.
Yummy, yummy.
Very yummy. Tasty. Hope you'll enjoy it. Hope you will enjoy it, guys. Guys, I put my oil to cook as I start to prepare my banana.
Mama.
Very yummy. Now guys, I have to take my salt. Do you put cinnamon? I will just do it. Okay.
I put it. Naona tu ukimaliza hiyo kitu. Naona tu ukimaliza hiyo kitu yote. Tunakuona hivyo. Wewe nakuona. Sasa tena. Sema tena.
My good people, I'll spring salt. This is my salt. I just did 2 bananas, but just in case you have a lot of bananas, you can do it. It's actually a good snack for evening tea. So you shake so that the salt can mix everywhere. So I'm testing my oil. My oil is ready. So guys, I'll take my fork and start to turn. You turn one by one. Remember, it's a ripe banana, so you have to turn it one by one so that it's fried nicely and crispy. So I'll leave it to cook for a few minutes, guys. I'll be back. Guys, here's my result. How does it look like? Mmm. And